Okay, we will complete the system apps today. So the next is the taskbar. Here is the taskbar. The taskbar is the bar or the line that located at the bottom of the desktop. Then the taskbar contains the start button at the left, and it contains some applications. We can create shortcut application on the taskbar. Then time and date and the speaker and other signs. The battery sign is at the taskbar as well. So this line is called the taskbar, and why we call it the taskbar is because that is where you start your task. Like starting a program that is not on the desktop, the shortcut is not on the desktop, you click here to start it. Then the next one is the start menu. This is the start button. Look at it here. It will pop out. Look at the start. So it is known as the start button. When you click on the start button, the start menu will pops up. So it has pops up because I click. Then on your keyboard, you have a window key. It's also a shortcut to the taskbar, to the start menu. When I press the window key on the keyboard, the key that has this logo is called the window key. So it has popped out the menu, the start menu. So the start menu contains the installed programs. So on my system, I have Adobe After Effects, I have Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign. These are the years, 2023. I have Autodesk. I can also type Microsoft Word. I have Word. I also have PowerPoint. I also have Excel. I also have Corel Draw and some other applications as well. So all on the start menu. So when you click on the start menu show you the applications installed on your system. Okay. Then the next is this app. Look at it here. It's just a folder on the taskbar. We call it File Explorer in Windows 10. In old Windows, it is known as Windows Explorer. So when you click on it, it allows a user, it provides a window, an interactive window, and allow a user to navigate from one location to the other. So I will still explain the window by the time I will be talking about the window. So I can move to PC, I can move to 3D object, desktop, music library, and other locations from this app. Let me close it now. I have closed it. Okay. So the next is a window. When we talk about a window is a rectangular area on the computer screen in which icons, options, functions, objects spread out. A window can be minimized. A window can be maximized. Like this File Explorer, the shortcut key on the keyboard is Window E. I just pressed Window E, it has popped out. This is a window, and the name of this window is called File Explorer. Let me go to this PC. I am now on this PC. This PC is also a window. The name of this window is called this PC. Let me go to the desktop. Desktop is also a window. The name of this window is called desktop. Let me go to document library, download. Download is also a window, and the name of this window is called download. Do you get that? All right. Then we say that a window is a rectangular area. Looking at this screen, you see that it is a rectangular form. Then this window can be minimized. Look at it here. We call it minimize button. If I click on it, I didn't close it. It just collapsed. Look at it here. If I hover the point, I didn't click. If I just drop a pointer on it, it will pop out and tell me the name of the window, which is download. Let me now click on it. I have clicked on it. Look at this one. This is called restore down because the window is maximized. If I click on it, it will restore down. I can now resize the window through positioning the pointer at the boundary between the desktop and the window. It will convert the pointer to double head horizontal arrow symbol. So telling me that I can click and drag left, click and drag right. Then, and when I'm doing that, I am resizing the window. Look at it from any corner, from top as well. I can reduce it from here. I can reduce it also. So We call this a window. Do you get that now? Then this window can also be moved. I can open two windows. So this is a window. So let me reduce it. For me to move this window, I will come to here, written the name. This is the name of the window. I will click and drag like this. I'm moving the window. So I can open this app called this PC, drop it here. I can open this one, also drop it here. See it, I have opened three windows. So I can resize any one, close. Whichever one I want to work on, resize, I can resize. I can also click, drag and drop within them from one window to the other. So that is what we mean by a window. So a window can also be what? Closed. So this window provide interactive area. Look at this. You see this? I can interact with this. Look at here. Depending on where I am, I'm on PC. If I move to music library, if I click on view, you see different sizes of icon. Let me come to desktop where document library where I may have some apps. Some files. So you see this. So I can click on view. I want to view my icons. Look at this icon. I'm just scrolling up. Look at this icon. I can view them in different sizes. How? If I click on the view ribbon here, this is called ribbon tabs, or we can call this ribbon, home ribbon. This is called insert ribbon. This is also called view ribbon. This is called backup to ribbon, or we can call them buttons or TAP, tabs as well. So this view tab or ribbon is made up of what we call groups. This is called pens group. This is called layout group. This is current view. This is show and hide group. So we call this. So if you come to layout, I can view my icons in a detail style. I can go there, click on the large icon. I can move back there, click on the large. I can move, click on tiles. So whichever size you want to view your icon, you get them from the view ribbon of any window you are. Do you get that now? Then the next application is called Recycle Bin. I think I have mentioned about Recycle Bin sometime. Okay, I think so. Then the next is the admin folder. Look at this folder here. Let me drop it here. This is a folder. So this is my computer name, my tech name. Okay, it's okay. That's my tech name or my computer name. So it's this app you are seeing here is representing the computer owner. You have it on your own screen. Do you get that? It represents the computer owner. You have it on your computer. Then it is me and it is you. If this is your computer, when you open it like this, you see it contains different locations, different folders where the computer user, where the computer owner or the computer user can store different types of files. Do you get that? That is what it's made up of. Like we have, if you have a file you created, 3D object, it will be stored here. If you have people's contacts, it will be stored here. Here is the desktop. This is the document library. When you download file from the internet, this is where it stores. You store your favorite files. You store your favorite links. This is Microsoft Word, where you can store. This is music, where you can store and organize music. This is Microsoft OneDrive, which is their cloud computing icon. This is picture library. You store game here. So the admin folder or the profile folder contains important folders where the computer owner store different types of files. That is it. So that is some of the apps we are talking about. These are what you need to know as a beginner. Then the next is the control panel. This is the control panel here. The control panel contains the settings. Here, how you want your Windows to behave, you set it up on the control panel. So if you open the control panel, you see different applications as well, which represent different settings in Windows operating system that will allow you to set your computer to behave how you want it to behave. But I'm not going to start talking about this because you are a beginner. There is a place you may go, it becomes a problem to you. Just understand it that the control panel is the heart settings of the computer. Thank you.